Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Real quick before I proceed with the video, I just want to ask that you please read the description. But what I will say is I am aware of what's going on in the world right now, and I'm not trying to make it seem like I am ignoring it or being insensitive to it by continuing to make content for my channel. I didn't know that I was going to be doing this video today. It's only happening because a particular piece of mail arrived at my home that I've been waiting for a long time. Yeah, please read the description, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and jump right in. So today we're gonna be doing a merch unboxing. Well, it's not really a box, but whatever. I am a huge fan of Jazmin Bean. I've been for almost a year now, and as soon as they released their merch and opened up their merch store, I was one of the first people to hop on there and order something. There was actually a little bit of a dilemma with my order because I ordered in January around the 21st, and I had been waiting. So finally last month I contacted Jazmin through their email, and they were kind enough to not only reply to me but send me a whole new sweater because it's presumed that the first one is lost. It definitely should not have taken months and months to get here, so they were very helpful and kind, and I'll throw up some screenshots of what was said here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I ordered the Babycore Hoodie. So here it is. Wow, it's freaking tight. I really love this design a lot. This is definitely, I think, my favorite design that they have on their store. I will put the person who made the artwork, their name, right here because Jazmin did specify that. So I ordered a large, and this is essentially how big it is. So what I was thinking of doing was doing something similar to my Ariana Grande video where I actually got the Thank You Next album cover sweater and I styled it with an outfit. So I think I'm gonna do that for this because I think it deserves it. But real quick before I jump into all of that, I'm gonna give you some close-ups of the design and just give you a closer look at it. So I know this was a rather quick unboxing. It's really because this is the first thing I've ordered. I do plan on ordering more as soon as I can. I really want to get a signed print, and I also want the pin that is available on the store right now. Hopefully I'm able to get one of those soon. Just always worried that things are going to sell out, especially when the artist is new and up and coming and people are excited for what they're doing and their merch and just them in general. So if you checked out my unboxing, thank you so much. I appreciate your views, and I'm gonna jump into the outfit stylings now. smelling, but that is... Look at that boy.